it going? So it feels like I haven't been here in a long time, but I wanted to come today just to give you guys a relaunch of this unit. So if some of you guys know, I do have my own wig line with Myfirstwigs.com. So this unit that I'm sporting today is actually named Dominique. So this is like the perfect bob cut styled unit, guys. So this is the lace front wig, guys. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. So it comes with about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space in the front, guys. It's cut and styled in this nice angled bob look. I did customize the hairline, guys, and I just straightened it just to give it a perfect kind of like fixed, clean look. So I hope you guys like it. Now, I do have an original video for this unit, guys, and I'll link it in the cards up there for you if you are interested in seeing that video. I want to say happy 3rd anniversary to Myfirstwigs.com, guys. This is a great website for first-time wig wearers and wig buyers, so definitely check them out. Alright people, so I'll leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from Myfirstwigs.com. There will be a coupon code listed down below as well, or in this video right here for you guys. Now guys, do not forget to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!